sir. New project car. 2000 Ford F-150. Pretty junked on the inside. Seats are clean though. Just needs cleaned. Lot of crap. Gonna pull the seats out, clean up the dash, clean up the steering wheel, spray out the bed. Got two flats, they're both on the sides. Here's the front. Gonna have to pick it up and put it down. Side. What's locked right there? All right, so it's pretty much the next day since got the truck yesterday. I changed out the alternator and one of the stators, or the stator relay, or whatever the fuck this thing is called, and went to crank. No crank. I'll show how it looked right now. Go ahead. Alright, that's good. So that's pretty much how it looked. So then did some research, and everything was telling me a starter. So if we get under here and check out the starter, right, let's see. Right here, here's my starter right next to the oil pan. Right there. I think that's a fucking transfer case or something. And the ground, which I believe this is the ground, wasn't even connected. And the starter's just sitting here loose. So I'm gonna pull it off, clean up the connectors. That's what everyone said. And put it back in. The starter only has about 100,000 miles on it, so I mean that shouldn't be it shouldn't be it. So it's probably about day 3 now. Yesterday I found that the starter wasn't even connected down there, so finally connected it. I didn't get a video of it, but it was pretty much just it cranked, but didn't turn over. So today I changed out the spark plugs, and they were disgusting and nasty. Actually, let's see if I can put a bunch of one. So here was one of them. There was one of them, and they pretty much all look the same as this. So changed them out with some new ones. Good ones. Wasn't too hard. Then I got some starter fluid. Gonna spray some into the throttle body and see if she turned. Whenever you're ready. One more, go ahead. Pressure wash the truck. She came out nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She came out very nice. Cleaned up. Headlights aren't all nasty and shitty. Bumpers up. Yep. All the stupid ass paint shit though. So I actually came to find that the fuel pump needed to be replaced, so here it is. Alright, got the fuel pump off. If you can see right here, lots of corrosion, just build up. I mean, that's 6 years of just crap. See where it's at for so long. It was a bitch to get to. Ended up stripping the bolts on top of the truck bed, so ended up having to drop the tank. What I'm gonna do now is probably just empty it out and then clean out the tank and see what's good. All right, so change out the fuel pump, put the gas tank back up. I didn't get it on video, us cranking it up, but crank it up. Boy, she's purring like a kitty. All right, so actually come to find, all it needed was some transmission fluid. Finally got it moved from sitting in the driveway over there for a while. So I mean, I'll show the video of it moving right now. And then I put about 5 to 6 quarts. That's what the forums were saying. And then pretty much that's it. Now running, driving truck. It's gonna need probably a new master cylinder for the brakes. It's either the master cylinder for the brakes here, or it's the ABS hydraulic steering or hydraulic pumping that it needs, because the lines for the calipers look good though, but could be anything. So the current state of the truck is it is running and driving. I didn't actually add that extra clip just because of lack of footage. I mean, I don't really remember to record all the time, but I kind of plan on making this series just as a memory thing for myself. Nothing too serious or anything like that. Just something for me to look back on and for others to enjoy. But for the future of the truck, I think I want to do some more maintenance, probably change out the rotors, and then possibly do some modifications, such as maybe an intake or a lift kit, change out, maybe get some bigger rubber or something like that, crash bar or something like that, you know, something stupid or cool. But I do want to continue the series just for the hell of it, but if you enjoy the series, then you should like and subscribe, and put those post notifications on, because you already know.